To install Avira Antivirus Pro on your Windows device, you have to navigate to the Avira homepage. Type avira.com in your internet browser and hit enter. Click Store for Home Antivirus Pro. Select on how many devices you would like to use the antivirus. Choose your subscription plan and click Buy Now. The shopping cart displays your selected product, subscription plan, and the price. Verify if everything is correct and check out with PayPal or other payment options. Select one of the offered payment options and enter the required credentials. Fill in the contact data and click Next. Review your data and click Buy Now to complete the buying process. Your order will be processed and you'll receive an Avira email to the specified email address with the installation instructions. If the Antivirus Pro was intended for the device where you just made the purchase, click Install Now. In case the installation is intended for another device, open the received Avira email on the device in question and install the product as described in the email. With the completion of the purchase process, a free Avira Connect online account is created for you. Enter a first-time password for your account and click Continue. Your Antivirus Pro will be downloaded and displayed in your account within the subscription and licenses area. Start the product installation with a click on Install. Go to your download folder and double-click the downloaded Avira file or click the displayed Avira file in your browser and then open. In case you get a security warning asking for permission to run the file, click Run. The Antivirus Pro installation wizard starts. Click Accept and Install to trigger the installation. A user account control window will pop up. Click Yes to start the installation. The installation of your Avira Antivirus Pro is starting. During the installation, you will be shown additional apps from our portfolio. Once the installation is completed, click Open Avira. You have successfully installed your Avira Antivirus Pro. You can now perform the first scan with a click on Run a Quick Scan.